Hi, second graders. Today you're going to take your EO number 3 over maps and geography. Go ahead and follow along the star as I read. Mark your answers on your paper by circling the letter. Follow along the star, and here we go. Circle the correct answer that fits the blank. Also, make sure your name's at the top. Number 1. A map of blank will show us Canada, the United States, Mexico, and the Caribbean islands. Circle your answer nicely. Is it A, South America, B, Canada, C, Mexico, D, North America? If at any time you need to pause, go ahead. Number 2. Which city is our nation's capital? Oops. A, Tallahassee, B, Washington, D.C., C, Columbus, D, Atlanta. If at any time you need to rewind, go back to hear it, go ahead. Number 3, Earth has blank continents. Is it A5, B6, C7, D8? Number 4, we live on the blank of North America. Is that A, state, B, continent, C, nation, D, ocean? Read the question carefully. Write your answers on the line. Number 5. What are the 4 cardinal directions? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write your answers after that. The 4 cardinal directions. Go to the next page. You should have flipped your paper. We're on the side that says use the words in the box to complete each sentence. Put your pencil on the box Go ahead and read these words to yourself and then repeat after me as I say them. Compass rose, prime meridian, legend, political map, and map scale. If you need to, fill in the ones you know and then come back to the ones that you're unsure of and fill them in. That is fine. So you're going to write these words. You can only write them once on the blank. Number 6, another name for a map key is a, write that word on the line. Is it a compass rose, prime meridian, legend, political map, map scale? Write it on the line. Pause if you need to. Number 7, a blank shows north, south, east, and west. Is that a compass rose, prime meridian, legend, political map, map scale? Pause and write your answer on the line. Number 8, the blank runs down the middle of the earth. It's imaginary. Is it compass rose, prime meridian, legend, political map, map scale? Pause, write your answer on the line for number 8. Number 9, a blank shows the border of states, countries, and other areas. What is that called? A compass rose, a prime meridian, a legend, a political map, a map scale. Number 9. And number 10, the blank tells how far apart places are on a map. Is that the compass rose, prime meridian, legend, political map, or map scale? Okay, when you're done, go to the last page. You'll just have to flip this page. Remember, if you need to go back and listen, that's fine. Just rewind or pause. Okay, go ahead and put your name on this side. Okay, And let's go ahead and do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to circle the correct answer, the best choice. All right, here we go. Number 1. A blank is a drawing that shows where places are located. Is that A, park, B, neighborhood, C, map, D, street? Number 2. A map blank tells what the pictures on a map mean. A map park, a map key, a map note, a map title. Number 3. A map blank tells how far apart places are on a map. Is that a map street, a map park, a map key, a map scale? That tells how far places are on a map. Number 4. A blank rose shows cardinal and intermediate directions on a map. Is that A street rose, B a compass rose, C a key rose, or D a map rose? Number 5. A blank map shows borders of states, countries, and other areas. Is that A a physical map, B a state map, C a political map, or D a city map? When you are done, make sure your name is on the paper and turn it into the turn-in basket so Mrs. Powell can grade it. Great job.